Here's what happens, for instance, let's say you listed a house and you're not getting any showings, right? Again, this is from my experience. You most likely, and it's also depending on the price point, but let's say, for example, the price point is anywhere between 550 and 650, 700. From my experience, you're probably about 10% overpriced. So there are no showings, you're about 10% overpriced. So after about 10 to 14 days, if you're not getting any showings, and I had that situation a few months back, I listed a house down in Goodyear, and we listed it for $975 based on the recent comp that closed back in March for $975. Well, in the first week and a half to 2 weeks, we probably only had one, possibly two showings. I think it was one showing, one cancellation. And the buyer's agent said, you know what, it was just priced a little bit too high. So right away, we lowered it by about $90,000 plus, $95,000 from $975 to $895. And we had multiple showings that weekend, and we received a full cash offer. So again, if you're not getting anything, guys, if you're not getting any showings, you're probably about 10% overpriced.